15 Pro Max with a titanium finish, natural titanium. This is one of those great videos. I can feel it in my bone, my soul. So let's do the honors of doing the rip. This iPhone right here. I don't know, every time Apple drops a new phone, I always go crazy. Ooh, natural titanium. All right, look. First impressions. The phone, it looks like silver. It looks more silver than anything else. And I'm more of a gold guy. You know what I'm saying? Like, this is my old phone, my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Obviously, a little bit of dirt and stuff from using it, but that's my 13 Pro Max. All right, exclude the dirt a little bit, but that's right there is my 13 Pro Max, right? And this right here is my 15 Pro Max. And looking at both phones, I can tell you this much, that I like the gold color way better. Oh gosh. Oh my lord, bro, this is lighter. Like, people say that it's lighter, but honestly feeling it, it's a lot different. It looks like titanium. It looks like natural titanium. Definitely look more like a natural finish, stainless steel type titanium look. All right, let's peel it off. There's something magical about this peel. It feels so good. Like, you can see the edge-to-edge display on it, and the edges are rounder. Like, if you look at my old iPhone, you'll see the edges are sharp. These new ones, the edges are a little bit more round. So it's easier. I guess they make it round, so it's a lot easier for you to hold it in your hands and everything. But it's a nice round edge. Ooh, it's a nice phone. It's a really nice phone. I'm not going to cap. And it's a lot lighter. Oh my god, it's a lot lighter. I appreciate the lightness. The titanium does make it a lot lighter than the stainless steel. And I do appreciate that. What comes inside of the box, we got, you know, the little ring here to remove the SIM card. Happy that we still have SIM cards in Canada. We don't have, I know that a lot of folks in America don't have the SIM card anymore. But I'm happy I have the physical SIM card, because when I travel, I like to just purchase a physical SIM card and just use it. So let's pop this down here. This is the USB-C braided cable right here. So it's a USB-C to USB-C, as you know, the new iPhone has a USB-C cable. I didn't even remember that as a USB-C. It looks so odd seeing a USB-C on an Apple device, but you can see here, the two devices have one of them have the USB-C right here, and the other one has a regular lightning cable. So it's different to see a USB-C on an Apple device, but I mean, it's a welcome change. Yeah, that's basically it for the, in terms of the accessories that come in the box. You know, Apple just does their thing. Simple. On the sides, you can see different. So you can see the new action button. So here's an action button instead of the rocker. Regular rocker, action button. Still have the USB, still have the tray, the SIM tray. So we still have the same power button at the side, top, and then USB-C port. Ooh, this looks so nice. English, Canada. So let me pop out my SIM card and pop in my, I have two SIM cards. So I'm just gonna pop in one of my SIM cards on this one. I wanna start fresh on my new iPhone, though. I don't wanna put any of my old stuff on the new iPhone. I just wanna start fresh, so I'm probably gonna back up all my data from my old one and then just pop it into my new phone. Take a look at this new feature that was added, which is the new action button. So at the side right here, it's actually showing you right here. We'll set it up. So let me customize my action button. The amazing thing about this, right, about the action button is that you can customize it to anything you want. So silent, you can make it into focus, camera, flashlight, voice memo. You could even put different shortcuts. You can create your own shortcuts, but phenomenally there's camera, because I feel like my camera is what I use personally the most. My phone's always on silent, so I don't have a problem with leaving it on silent. New features that Apple added for this year is, you know, they added that 5x zoom on the camera. So I'm gonna do a more in-depth review on that soon. going over those features. Also the action button that we mentioned about a moment ago, in terms of new features, the new titanium body that Apple built. Also be able to record in 4K log file, so I can add my own colors and my own preset. I'm excited to try 4K log. The USB-C recording, you can record 4K 60 to external drive. I'm definitely going to be trying all those new features that Apple's added. So nevertheless, I'm excited for the phone. I'm coming from a 13 Pro Max all the way up to 15 Pro Max, so this is a huge improvement for me personally. It's a nice one overall. I love it. This is an impression video, so I'm definitely going to be doing a more in-depth comparison. But as you can see here, between the gold, which is my favorite color, and the silver, I definitely love this gold better than the titanium. But this is going to be my phone for at least another year. I think I might upgrade next year, which to get that new gold. I hope they drop a gold next year so I can get that one, because I'm a gold user. Not so much rocking with the natural titanium, but all the colors that they dropped on the Pro models this year, I think the natural titanium is the best one, unless I go full black, and I don't really like black iPhones. But alright, I'm really excited to show out these new features. What do you guys think about the new iPhone? Are you guys rocking with it or not? Let me know in the comment section. Thank again for all your support and all your love that you showed on these videos. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.